I have the Google Doc right there, which is the day one that that it references for the plan. Day one, session 3.2. That's part of the layout, the scene that I showed you with all the different shots and scene cuts and all that. So here's the editing process, which I was into. So we look at getting into step one, which is organizing and preparing your footage. So this is in reference to that your topic, your researching, that part of it. And what I included here was the template from our last day together. This is how to use the template. So basically this shows, here's an example. This is actually the video that I did, shows your goal on what you're trying, what your message is of this one. Are you trying to get more followers? Are you trying to get somebody to click the link in your bio? So what's the point? What's the point of this video is your goal? And there's your hook. Okay, we talked about the hooks. I have some examples, things like that. We know the importance of it. Then there's your scene setup. Adding a head turn, angles, props, those 3 to 4 zoom ins and zoom outs. Then we have your talking points. So this is the body of your video. Define your video's goal to stay focused. Use that simple structure, the hook, body, and call to action. And then plan your scene with movements and angles to end up saving you time editing to create that efficient process. And then finally, your call to action. So comment plan below to join my free community for more tips. And that was my CTA in this example. So this is the blank template that I created. And you can either print this, you can write right in there. You just have your goal, which mine was a simple sentence. I have my hook. Scene setup, if you think about what you're going to do with the camera. Am I going to have a close-up and then maybe have a pull out or a pull in that you want to make sure you don't forget? You can just write it down there. You want to have your talking points of your body. So do you want to present the problem and then give the solution for what you're doing? And then have your call to action. And then I have the notes at the bottom. So maybe anything that you researched that you want to make sure while you're doing this, something that you talk about.